Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making peanut butter chocolate Rice Krispie treats. You're going to start by melting 150 grams of either milk or dark chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate until it's nice and smooth. You can do this using a double boiler method or in the microwave. Next we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter, either crunchy or smooth, to the chocolate. I'm going to mix it in until it's well combined. Now you could use cashew butter or another nut butter, or if you're nut free, you can use maybe a cookie butter. Now that the peanut butter and chocolate are well combined, we can now take them off the heat and put the rice bubbles in. Now we're using 3.5 cups worth of rice bubbles or Rice Krispies, depending on where you are in the world, and we're going to mix them really well so each bubble is coated. Now that the rice bubbles are coated in the chocolate and peanut butter, we are going to transfer it into a tray. So you want a lined tray, and we don't want to smash the rice bubbles, we just want to gently push them in to ensure that we have a nice even coverage. Now you can put the tray in the fridge to set overnight, and then you'll be able to cut it the next day. Now while cutting this, it might be a little bit crumbly if you haven't covered everything in enough chocolate and peanut butter, but the other thing is that the chocolate is going to melt if it's a warm day, so be very careful and cut quickly. It shouldn't be difficult to cut, so just keep in mind that keeping it at room temperature, especially if it's summer or a warm day, is definitely not a good idea for it. Cut it into squares or rectangles, up to you, your choice, and then put them back into the fridge to store. Now they can store for up to 4 days in a cool temperature on the bench or in a container in the fridge for up to 7 days. So that's a quick 3-ingredient snack that you can make for either home or school or work. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments below if you like seeing these quicker snack time videos. Thanks for watching.